Kum kajing ay mynsiem ya ka kenhun ki nongïalehkai kari India sa kalampung Olympic hatukyo ki nong song snong kari India hi bro koi klapenlong ki program pair hakaleng ki jala. Haka jala Meghalaya ka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs rengkat ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA ki lapenlong ya ka di ka program hanong ba shalong. Myntri badikmi ya ka Ñiah ka sarkar jala ba bantai do lingdo ulanya dak cycle na sekretariat sa khandailat lembar ki khot ka MSOA bat ki samlanya cycle.
Cheers for Indian team. Cheers for Indian team. Go. We have come here to inaugurate this selfie stand, which has been organized by the government of Meghalaya as well by the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. So I'm very happy to be a part of this, and at the same time also I would like to thank especially our Honorable Prime Minister of India for supporting Team India for the Olympics. At the same time also, our Union Sports Minister Anuragji and the previous Sports Minister also, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, for being supporting of our state in different aspects of sports. At the same time also, I would like to thank all the youth of our state, because without youth we cannot move forward. Youth is a future of a state, and I wish all the best for the Team India to success to bring medal for the state as a whole. And thank you for our Honorable Chief Minister also for supporting. He should have been with us, but he's coming from Tura, from Garwell. He will be late. That's why we are doing this program.